The upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is now getting closer to launch, and new leaked information has made that very clear. Recent warehouse photos and updates from a well-known DJI leaker show that DJI has already started preparing large shipments of dummy units for the standard Pocket 4 edition. This is important because it suggests the company is almost ready to officially reveal the camera. The latest update came from veteran DJI leaker Igor Bogdanov, also known online as @QuadroNews. In a recent post mentioning upcoming DJI products, he confirmed that 3 major products expected in 2026 are real. These include the Avatar 360 drone, the Leto series drones, and the new Pocket 4 camera. However, the most interesting part of his update was the shipping label shown in the post. That label indicated that dummy units of the Pocket 4 are already being shipped in large numbers. New high-resolution warehouse images from sources provide even stronger evidence. The photos show large pallets stacked with boxes inside a DJI warehouse. Many of these boxes carry the UN3481 label, which is a standard shipping label used for lithium-ion batteries. DJI commonly uses this label for products that include built-in batteries, such as cameras and drones. What stands out in these images is the scale of the shipments. This is not a small testing batch. Instead, it appears to be a large logistics operation preparing units for distribution to different regions and retail stores. The shipments mainly contain dummy units rather than working cameras. Dummy units are non-functional models of a product. Companies create them for several important reasons before the real product arrives in stores. Retailers use these models for display so customers can see the design and size of the product. They are also used for packaging checks, marketing photos, and staff training. Since these units do not function like real devices, they are safer to place on open display where customers can hold and inspect them without risk. This also explains why companies ship dummy units before the actual product launches. Stores need time to prepare display sections and promotional materials ahead of the announcement. Seeing such a large number of dummy units being shipped strongly suggests that DJI has moved beyond early development stages. The company is now preparing for a worldwide launch. Another interesting detail about the Pocket 4 appeared earlier this year. In February 2026, a prototype of the camera was shown in a short hands-on video. The footage was recorded at Droneskaki Bukit Bintang, an official DJI retailer. In the video, a customer brought the device into the store and showed it to the staff. The short clip revealed that the camera still follows the compact gimbal design that the series is known for. It also appeared to include an LED light, which could be useful for vloggers and content creators. This was one of the first times people saw the device outside of earlier leaks from China. Even though the video was short, it gave viewers a clearer idea of what the new camera might look like and how it could be used in real situations. All of this new information points to a very busy year for DJI in 2026. The company has already launched the Avatar 360 drone around March 2026. After that, the Pocket 4 announcement is expected very soon, possibly between April and May. Reports also suggest that DJI may introduce 2 additional drones later in the year called the Leto 1 and Leto X1, likely arriving sometime between the second and third quarter. The large warehouse shipments of Pocket 4 dummy units suggest that DJI has already completed many important steps, such as production preparation and regulatory approval. Companies usually reach this stage only when a product is nearly ready for announcement and pre-orders. Because of this, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. The combination of insider reports and clear warehouse photos strongly indicates that the launch is approaching quickly. If everything goes according to the current timeline, an official reveal could happen very soon. $149 for a DJI drone in 2026. That sounds almost impossible, right? But hold that thought. We'll come back to that surprising price in a moment. First, let's talk about the real headline grabber, the DJI Leto X1. This is the drone that's already being called the DJI Mini 5 Pro Killer. DJI upcoming Leto X1 will be DJI Mini 5 Pro Killer. Yes, that's exactly how it feels right now. DJI is rumored to introduce another compact drone in the sub-249-gram category, and this one is creating serious buzz. The name expected for this new model is DJI Leto X1. From early leaks and reports, it looks like DJI is preparing something powerful yet affordable for beginners and travel creators. The Leto X1 could replace the well-known Mini 4K and might even act as the true successor to the Mini SE series. That alone makes it important because both of those drones were extremely popular among entry-level users. Now, DJI seems ready to refresh that segment with better hardware and smarter features. Its existence is no longer just a rumor. The FCC listing has already confirmed the drone, which means development is real and the launch could happen soon. Leaker Igor Bogdanov first shared an image of the Leto X1 propellers and later revealed FCC documents pointing toward key specifications. The leaked propeller arm design looks very compact, suggesting that DJI is focusing heavily on portability. It looks small, clean, and travel-ready. The drone will weigh under 249 grams. This is a big deal in the United States because drones under this weight do not require FAA registration for recreational flying. That makes it extremely attractive for beginners who want to start flying without dealing with paperwork. It also makes the Leto X1 perfect for travelers, vloggers, and casual creators who want something light and easy to carry in a backpack. Some reports suggest that the Leto series might actually be a rebranded version of the Sky Rover drone that was released a few months ago. If that turns out to be true, DJI may have refined and optimized that platform under its own branding. That could mean proven hardware with DJI's trusted software experience. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get interesting. The Leto X1 is rumored to feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. For a drone in this size and price category, that is impressive. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper image quality. On top of that, video recording is expected to reach up to 4K at 120 frames per second. That means smooth, slow-motion footage in full 4K resolution, something usually reserved for higher-end drones. Obstacle sensing is also rumored to be included. However, due to its expected price range, it will most likely feature only downward obstacle sensing. That still helps during landing and low-altitude flights, especially for beginners who are still building confidence. It may not have full omnidirectional sensors like premium models, but it should provide basic safety support. The FCC input details mention charging support at 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts up to 3 amps maximum. These numbers suggest that fast charging could be supported. While the charging speed might not be ultra-fast, it should be efficient enough for quick battery top-ups between flights. That's practical for travel and outdoor shooting days. The expected price is around $350. This places the Leto X1 right between the Neo 2 and the Mini 5 Pro. At this price point, it becomes a very strong competitor. It offers advanced camera specs, lightweight design, and beginner-friendly features without reaching premium pricing. That's exactly why many people are calling it a Mini 5 Pro alternative. The DJI Leto X1 appears designed for new pilots who want strong performance without spending too much. It could be the perfect training drone before upgrading to higher-end models. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, DJI might once again dominate the entry-level drone market. Now the big question is, will it truly live up to the hype? $149 for a DJI drone in 2026? It sounds unreal. Many people would think it's a mistake or a limited-time glitch. But this is real. DJI has dropped the price of the DJI Neo to just $149, making it one of the cheapest 4K drones you can buy in the United States right now. And that is what makes this deal so serious. This is not a refurbished unit. It is not open box. It is a brand new drone. The DJI Neo has even been recognized by Time as one of the best tech inventions. Now, it is available at its lowest price ever. On top of that, if you use certain bank offers like a Visa discount on Amazon, the price can drop even further. In some cases, buyers are paying close to $99 for the drone itself. Looking at the pricing history makes this deal even more interesting. The base model originally launched at $199. During Black Friday 2025, it dropped to $159. Now, in February 2026, it is down to $149. That is the lowest official price so far. The Fly More combo was originally $349. During Black Friday, it dropped to $289. Now it is available for $259. The RC controller add-on started at $427 and dropped to $399 during sales, and it remains at $399 now. That changes everything for budget buyers. The DJI Neo is part of DJI's entry-level lineup, but it does not feel basic. It records in 4K resolution, which means you get sharp and clear video quality. For content creators, travelers, and beginners, this is a big advantage at this price point.